Have you ever found yourself copying and pasting items one at a time in Windows 11? Maybe you're working with a document like this one, and you want to copy all the text highlighted in blue and paste it into another document. Normally, you'd have to copy one section, switch to the other document, paste it, come back, copy the next section, and repeat the process over and over again. That can be frustrating and time-consuming. Thankfully, Windows 11 has a built-in feature that makes this much easier, and it's called Clipboard History. Let me show you how it works. First, press the Windows key and the letter V on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Clipboard History panel. If you're using it for the first time, you may not see any copied items yet. Instead, you'll see an option to enable Clipboard History. Simply click the Turn On button. Once it's enabled, Windows will start keeping track of the items you copy. Now let's test it. I'll copy all the highlighted text from this document. You can do that by selecting the text and right-clicking, then choosing Copy, or simply pressing Ctrl-C on your keyboard. I'll repeat the process for the other highlighted sections as well. Now, instead of immediately pasting each item one by one, Windows stores them in Clipboard History for me. Let's switch to the other document. To access everything I've copied, I'll press Windows key plus V again. And there we go. As you can see, all the text snippets I copied are listed here. This means I can quickly choose any item from the history whenever I need it. To paste an item, simply click on it. I'll click this one. Perfect. Now let me paste a few more. And just like that, I can access everything I've copied without having to go back and copy it again. What's even better is that Clipboard History doesn't only work with text. It can also store images, screenshots, and many other types of copied content. As you can see, the formatting, tables, and images have all been preserved correctly. That is incredibly useful. Now, what if you want to clear your clipboard? Simply open Clipboard History using Windows key plus V and click the Clear All button. This removes all the items currently stored in the clipboard. But what if you only want to remove a specific item? That's easy too. Click the three-dot menu next to the item and choose Delete. Only that particular entry will be removed. Before we wrap up, there's one more feature you should know about, and it's probably my favorite. It's called Pin. The Pin feature allows you to keep important clipboard items permanently available. For example, if you frequently paste your email address, a website link, an office address, or a standard email signature, you can pin it. Pinned items remain available even when you clear your clipboard, and they can even stay available after restarting your computer. This can save a huge amount of time when working on repetitive tasks. And that's all there is to it. No more endlessly copying and pasting one item at a time. With Clipboard History, you can keep multiple pieces of text, images, and links ready to use whenever you need them. Give it a try and see how much faster your workflow becomes. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Zimist Coded, and turn on notifications so you never miss another useful Windows tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.